FOMC. You got to watch it. Can you afford to miss it? Coming up next Wednesday. We're going to cover it live. Jerome Powell live on the show. We've had massive gains, huge gains. This is my overall portfolio, now at 151,666.56. Started with $5,000. Can you believe it? No options, no shorts, no crypto, just the S&P. Just in 1 year, if I go to the 1 year and show you, look at that. I've made over 30%, 27 grand. Buy the macro dips, know when to buy, never sell, stay in. On Wednesday, Jerome Powell will deliver his first FOMC report under the administration of Donald Trump, the new president of the United States of America. What are we going to get? It's going to be a very, very exciting day. Do not buy this pump. That's not financial advice. I'm not giving it, but people are getting excited and carried away. And I love it because they're buying my shares that I will never sell. Fantastic. Keep pumping it up. This is my prediction. See if I'm right. No rate cuts on the FOMC report. It's not about that though. It's about what he says next. We will get rate cuts this year, a couple, maybe three. I've planned my strategy on 2. The market sold off a few weeks ago because they were expecting 5. Then they thought, hang on a minute, jobs report is bad, or it was good rather. That's inflationary. It wasn't. I said it wasn't, and it wasn't. Then they waited for CPI, started to go up. Then they got PPI, it's really started to go up. Or was it the other way around? Was PPI first? I think it was. PPI was good, it started to go up. PPI was next, started to rally. Things got other way around. Anyway, whichever it was over Tuesday and Wednesday. Then we got Donald Trump come into power and the markets have been rallying ever since. Everyone's getting FOMO. Everyone's buying back, but they should do. The economy is strong. GDP is good. Inflation's coming down. Everything is good in the market, but that doesn't mean you should be buying. It means you should be just enjoying it going up because you are an investor. Tune in live with me for the FOMC report when we see what happens. What we want is no rate cuts. That is stability. That will hold the market. What we want is to hear that the economy is still growing and inflation is still falling and we're going to get a rate cut in March, I think it is. That is good. That is bullish. It's the Q&A at the end when Jerome speaks to the audience and the press. That's what we want, a dovish report. We do not want rate cuts. If we get one, however, with good reason, without it being a kind of reaction to the market, because inflation is looking a bit dodgy and maybe they've over-tightened and everything else. That's not good, but it depends how it's delivered. I'm looking for another pause and a sensible rate cut in March. That's what I want. If we get that, the market will continue to do well and it's going to be fantastic. Can you afford to miss the FOMC report? I don't think so. The first one under Donald Trump. But of course, Donald Trump has no control over Jerome Powell, but it's the first one under Donald Trump, if you know what I mean. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. I'll post the link down there. Also pinned to the comments. Right here is the FOMC report, and down here, something else I think you'll find interesting. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.